Hello friend, once again this is my unknown personality. The Apple MacBook Air is a part of Apple's largest generation of the Macs with the Apple Silicon, featuring significantly improved performance and the battery life in a slim. Apple has updated the Mac Air erratically in the recent year, releasing two new models in 2020 and with no clear pattern prior to that. Although the device has been updated every year, there has been a clear sign that an updated Mac Air with a number of upgrades and improvements is on the way. Rumors suggested that the model will not arrive until the late 2021 at the very earliest, and it is the more likely to arrive in 2022. Since the updated Mac Air models are believed to be half a year away at minimum, it is currently a good time to buy a Mac Air. Mac Air lineup with its new M1 chip, which is the first Apple-designed ARM-based chip. M1 chip replaced the prior Intel chip and bring a major speed and efficiency improvement. The M1, which is the Apple's first system on a chip, features an 8-core CPU with 4 high-efficiency core, and the 4 high-efficiency core along with the integrated GPU that has up to 8 cores. The MacBook Air's CPU is up to 3.5x faster than the prior generation model, and the GPU is up to 5x faster. Machine learning workloads are up to 9x faster, so that the Mac Air is quickly at ML-based features like face recognition and object detection. With the M1 chip, SSD performance is up to 2x faster thanks to new storage controller, and the MacBook Air can be configured with up to 2TB of storage. RAM maxes out at 16GB, and it is integrated directly into the M1 chip for a unified memory architecture that brings performance and the efficiency improvement. Battery life in the Mac Air is significantly improved, offering up to 15 hours of web browsing and up to 18 hours video playback, and 13-inch Retina display with slim bezels and the large Force Touch trackpad. The MacBook Air comes in the space gray, silver, and gold. The 13-inch display features a resolution of 2560 by 1600, which is the same as the prior generation model, but new this year is P3 white color support for more vivid, true-to-life colors. M1 MacBook Air features a 720p FaceTime HD camera, which is the same as the camera in the prior model. But Apple says the M1 improved picture quality with better noise reduction, better dynamic range, and other features. The price of MacBook Air is near around $999. Hope you like this information. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notification. See you in the next video. Bye bye.